Okay, something else I wanted to show you real quick that I did this afternoon as well. I was sitting here putting my buttons in all the right places, and I was watching YouTube, and one of the speakers said something about Isaiah 43:2, and I wanted to remember that scripture. So I while I was here, I went ahead and went to Isaiah, which is so simple because all I have to do is click on my Isaiah, then click on 43, and then 2 is at the top. And using my A Bing, and I did it just this quick. If I tap off, I can see what I'm highlighting here. I go ahead and select everything that I want to copy, and I do copy, and then double tap with my fingers, and that pastes down the same scripture in text format that I've got as this is my default font. So if I want to change that, and I can look at it and tell that's way too big. Let's see if I change it to make it, okay, that's good. Now, I probably would do a whole lot more work on it, but it was because I was trying to get it done and just keep working that I wanted to go ahead and highlight it. Well, I also did the I-beam again. I'm going to this menu because I don't have it on my menu bar anymore. I sometimes keep it on there, but I add the A and do it again. And this time I'm just going to highlight so that I can see, since I don't have the reference to the scripture that's over on the right, I can highlight it and tap off, and it's going to highlight it using whatever color I've got as my default highlighter. Then I could stop there, but of course, I don't. But, if all I wanted to do was remember it, then I stop there. And then I can come back later and make changes to it. And this is what I did. That if I turn that visibility off and turn this is what I actually did in real time. And in order to get that striped background, okay. And while I've got this, see now, I've got this done. I could say this page is done. However, when I actually come here and start studying Isaiah 43, odds are really good that I'm gonna wish that I had space again. So all I had to do is select everything and resize it. So now I've got a smaller version, and I have all this area over on the right that I can, and bottom, that I can write in or add more, more pictures or do whatever. So that's ready to roll. I can leave it like that in the meantime. If I go back to the previous layer, I just want to show you how I did the stripes. Turn this off, turn this on. And just to add some background to it, I added a table. It's nothing but columns. And I didn't want the stripes or the borders between the columns. So I went here and I went to border, and I took the line opacity down all the way, and then I went to fill, turn that on, and I made it alternating columns. Just clicked on that and chose the two colors that I wanted to use in alternating, and then turn the opacity up or down if you want to, and tap off. Now I want to go ahead and move that to the back because right now it's sitting on top of the text, so I just quick move it. And of course everything was done just this fast, moved back, and that's done. Isn't that pretty? I mean, it's not a blank page anymore, is basically what I'm saying. And again, I can just resize it and put it wherever I want to when it comes to later. Of course, I can tell I don't like the color of the highlight. See, now, you notice whenever I did that highlight and I was able to just select it, it just puts it one line at a time, so I can either move that or delete it or whatever. So I'm going to delete it. I've got it all selected. And then I'm going to change my highlight color to, let's see, get a pen. This is my highlighter right here. So if I leave that to red and then I do the highlight, get the A back, select it, no, select it, and do highlight. See, now it's red. Or, you know, if I can always just change it. No, Nancy, select it this way and change it to a different color. To make it match the colors that I've got over on the right. Okay, that's it. Y'all have a great day here. Bye.